dirty. I know anything else. Yes, I can. But no, I can't. Yes, I can. Boom. I'll tease my throat. It's a big sniffer. I wasn't care for all the resources. Yes, I can. But I wish I got this penguin cup. Yes, I would be. Oh my God! No. And if you look, that's a good question. No. What a good mouse. So the casting numbers. Well, I guess that's my little Middle East. No, it's good. I guess that lives in Caribbean. Yes, Caribbean. Not at all. The toucan. Yes. No. I don't care. Let's go back here. Wait. I'm cast. Is the world as best I can? No. Isn't Kansas. What happened? Oh my gosh. Is what happened? Oh no. Oh no. Hey, Whitebird. Yes. Can you say Whitebird? Petunia. I don't care who's asking. Well, this is a cast speed number. This is the whole wide world. And, I wish I could. This is a feeder. Whitebird.